Hey guys! Want to transform your ordinary photo into a beautiful abstract painting? Today I'll show you how to create a stunning abstract painting effect in Photoshop that looks professional and artistic using simple and easy techniques. So let's dive into the video. Step 1. Open your main image in Photoshop. Then duplicate the background layer. Step 2. Go to Select Subject. Click on Add Layer Mask to remove the background. Then turn off the background layer by clicking the eye icon. Step 3. Select the background copy layer. Go to Image, Adjustment, then select Black and White. Next, click OK. Step 4. Again go to Image, Adjustment, then select Levels. Here, adjust the output levels as needed. Then click OK. Step 5. Go to Filter, then Sharpen, next Unsharp Mask. Here, adjust the settings carefully to enhance the details. If all done, then click OK. Step 6. Go to Filter, then Stylize. Next, click on Oil Paint. Here, adjust the brush settings according to your preference. Then click OK. Step 7. Go to Image, then Adjustment. Next, select Posterize. Set the level to 4 and click OK. Step 8. Now we will separate the image into different tonal shades. First, go to Select, then Color Range. Here, click on the image and select a dark shade. Next, click OK. Now, go to Layer, then New. Next, click on Layer via Copy. Here you can see. Now, repeat the same process for medium shade, light shade, white shade. Each time, select Background Copy, go to Select Color Range, then click on Image, and pick the shade. Now go to Layer, then select New. Next, click on Layer via Copy. Here you again see the current result. Here again do the same steps. Now click on All Shades Layers icon. Now delete the background copy layer. Next, rename the layers as Dark, Medium, Light, and White. Step 9. Select the white layer. Go to File, Place Embedded. Import a white abstract brush painting texture. Resize and adjust it properly. Next, right-click on the texture layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now repeat the same steps for light layer. Add light color shade abstract texture. Then create clipping mask. Again, repeat the same steps for medium layer. Add medium shade abstract texture. Again, right-click on the texture layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Step 10. Hold Shift and select all the shade layers. Press Ctrl+G to group them. Step 11. Go to Create Adjustment layer. Next, click on Solid Color. Now choose a suitable background color that matches your artwork. And finally, here you can see the beautiful outlook. A beautiful abstract painting effect on a girl. At last, go to File, Save As and save your image. And that's how you can create a beautiful abstract painting effect in Photoshop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Creative Digital Hacks for more creative Photoshop tutorials. See you in the next video.